Alicia Walker, AK. Make sure text me. She have Instagram. Make sure text me. I want to talk to her. And them something me jump and pay attention, my love. Me not pay no man a beat no woman no attention, my love. Me sorry, me not doing it. And them because something me jump and pay attention. Tell her to text me good, make me and her all a reason. Me give her my number. So I'm tell her, say, girl, you will get through it and me and her talk and so. Right, me can make sure get look at credit, make sure get look at credit. And them look at something me can do so much but no more. And them look at something and me jump to conclusion and pay attention. My love, me not pay no man a beat them woman no attention. Me not doing it. Me get too much beating for that. Me know how it feel like feeling in a position. Then me get too much beating for that and too much kick for that. Me bring Akim them to girl go and come, my love, and I be argument me in her. For me a little bit and I grow, me I bring my friend them name, my friend me I bring my man name. Jesus Christ, made that go. For me a little bit and I grow, me I bring my friend them man name to them. And I tell them, say, me see them and woman, me love her this. So me I take picture. Me I take blood clot picture. Whoop. Send go give my friend my love shot. The next day, me can't go in the yard. Me can't talk to my friend. My friend after yard stop talk to me. Then walk in my big old woman stage when I almost sue blood clot dead. Walk on a man and woman argument before I get involved in that. Any blood clot girl who was still in a relationship, make boy box them, kick them and thump them. I love that. I mean, I'm out come back at them. They put blood clot rustling that I feed them blood clot business. Sickness or no sickness, me no response. And anybody who feel any type of way about it, feel any type of way about it, because I don't blood clot care. Anybody who go to the feelings, go to the blood clot feelings, me no response. Yeah? Me no care. I just the truth of God love. It's just the truth of God love. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm sorry. I'm not having it. Me lip gloss what babes? The comfort zone, go ahead. Thanks, share. Sister girl, that lick your chip. You must lick my chip, girl. You must lick my blood clot chip. It have to lick my chip, girl. But I look at you. Man beat you and me for tell you to leave. Tell me the truth now. After them, I get the blood clot lick. After, girl, me not tell a lie. As much as me like, make I speak the truth. As much as me like, when the boy rough me up and talk to me rough. Hey, girl, what you do? You ever get things and get me little kick, say the boy rough me up. Hey, girl, what you do? This to that, the third. Hey, girl, don't play with me in a big pussy, girl. Even though I know my pussy tight, yeah? This to that, the third. Give me a little bad up, you know? Them little way, the little box, one little choke, yeah? But no! Them uppercut, there's a different set of beating that. Me not depend them uppercut than them. I say, when she get the blood clot buck, I say my phone vibrating on my blood clot. And I have to say, hey Siri, are you okay? Siri have to say, yes Quincy, I'm fine. How are you doing? I said the way my phone vibrates when she get the buck. And tell me now, you get such a buck, such an uppercut, and you still make up your mind for stay? I want more help you could have asked. So you reach in front of the police, them. You reach in front of the police, them. For me, see that boy, they know, see that boy, they afraid of the law. You can't use that. You can't use that boy. You can't use the law and conquer that boy there. Yeah. So you couldn't tell me, say you under so much fear. That's you in front of the police. They were afraid to say yes. Yes, yes, yes. Anytime soon now I will develop in cancer. Because him beat me, go on him beat. No girl, and them tell you should have talk up, say one more help me. One more attention me. Pan the outer world could I give you. We in the inner world I face all of the pressure. Leave me alone. Me not doing it. Me not doing it. Me not do 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 it, girl. Me not do it. Me not do it. I really love him for true. Why? Me nervous aroused. The girl says she really love her man for true. The one woman for said woman could come back here, come tell her life she don't love the boy. Eh? When all the drama over, all who her boots are up and all who she make cry, this, that, the third gone. What's she gonna do without her body? Tell me now. In them a warranty, guarantee, whatever you want to call it. Tell me now. Who are in them house lonely? Who choose the wrong time to take up that argument for your head? Better you did wait till the quarantine done or the warranty or the guarantee done. Who start talk about it? Probably should have more have a try to say, alright, listen to me. Me I left. Me leaving. But you couldn't expect a woman to just go left her man so go lay down lonely in that house on the road. On the road. On the road out and bright. A bright on a bright. Me not wrong her blood clot. She really love him for true. When you can't say good quarantine, good lot long ago and you want to connect the woman leave her man in this. I wear a call it now. Them serious blood clot time, yeah. Wrong time for try to take her out, girl. Wrong time for try to take her out. I'm rude. Don't do that shit. My girl said, listen to me, Wally. No! I don't even know what to say. We're going to make a TikTok for that. The first time we're going to use TikTok as she, we're going to use. The first time we're going to use TikTok as she, we're going to use. We're going to try, we're going to load for do it and do it. That if somebody not force me upon the life, going to hear me attack now. And they're going to force me now and go do it. The woman say, hey, Wally, me don't know you, so me a call you and make you cry. No, tell no lie for me. No to blood clot. All me know, for somebody with the world say need help, and for somebody with the world say she mental, all me know, she's a strong mental girl, no blood clot. She's a strong mental girl coming out to the lie. Me tough like turbot. Me love and barky. Me love, but me not tell a lie. That book there that do something to me. That book there that make my ugliness look delicious. If you're a mental girl, she strong no blood clot. No matter how mental me is, me love that book. They bring back every sense what God never provide me with in the beginning. What me say? Every sense where God never give me the blood clot beginning, that book they would have give me them. Me don't talk to Uno. Only think this is a joke. Well, she looks slow. Well, the book could have make me fast. My dirty brother him. The book could have make me fast. She's a strong black girl. Pressure. She's the thing she don't want to. When the don't stop talking about blood clot pressure, she never go in front of the police them. She never go in front of the police them. As so much blood clot used to. She go in front of the police them, I love that. She just start, no go on, man, no alone, man. Come after this, man. Stop come tell me things, man. Yeah, the boy, no. Just for little views. Yeah, the boy, just for little views. Hey, if I'm a little bit, me and them celebrity come to careless to say, yeah, so Auntie Wally just make clip and make all them two there take liberty here. You see? You hear? Just make them two there take liberty here. Girl, me man what necessary. I'ma play a blind side to what's not necessary to me. And probably check now, she don't want to talk. She fully programmed as a robot. All of that too. You have this switch. Oh, I forgot there's a music video to it. Just get out of why? Too much things to the story, yeah. They can't really blame Auntie Wally on the other hand too now, man. Too much things to the story now, man. Too much things to the story. It's a music video, it's a blogger. Me never see that blogger there yet. All of a sudden, the video release today, him turn blogger. Me know you see now, Macron did come out and say she ugly and she boss. Candy did come out and say, whoa, why? And I make them manipulate her, my love, and she despise, she no boss. Who else? Who else? Boy, young man, try now, nothing wrong. Try, young man, try, young man, try. You never know what can happen. You're in the easiest time for become a billionaire, the internet. Try now, try, but you try. Whoa. I'm nervous. 1 minute of live, I'm going done in time soon. I'll count down. When I tell me that far, when I tell me, let me tell you the blood clot this. I don't care who no want like me, I don't care who no want chat to me. Me never, when me just born, I never talk to my mother and father for blood clot 2 years. Because God never give me no wisdom, no knowledge, and no understanding. For say, mama, dada, so me no care who no want chat to me 2 years. Mama listen my mother and my father for no come suck out the last part of me. Argument done, finito la papa. Yeah. Alicia Walker, aka Candy, big up yourself. Me know wanna tell me that for my malice greens and morino much in ears. 2 years? A good malice that will come eat me. And time the live done. The 2 years. Good malice, girl. Good malice. Good malice. Me I look on them.